Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. Today, I'll show you how to download and install DeepSeek AI on your iPhone. This app is similar to ChatGPT, so if you're looking for a new AI assistant, here's how to get started. Let's dive in. First, open the App Store and make sure you're connected to the internet, either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Also, check that you're signed into your Apple ID. Now, tap the search icon at the bottom and type in DeepSeek AI. The app you're looking for is called DeepSeek AI Assistant. You'll recognize it by its logo and the fact that it's currently trending as a top AI assistant. Once you've found it, tap Get to start downloading. You may need to enter your Apple ID password, use Face ID, or double-click the side button to confirm the installation. After it's installed, if you don't see it on your home screen, swipe to the app library and check under Recently Added. You can then press and hold the app icon to drag it to your home screen for easy access. When you open DeepSeek AI for the first time, you'll need to agree to the terms and sign in. You can use your email and password, sign in with Apple, or create a new account to get started. And that's it. Now you have DeepSeek AI installed on your iPhone. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching HowToHub, and I'll see you in the next one.